Hello everybody! We are back. So today I've decided to do something I've never been able to do, which is experience all the old FNAF fan games. I've never actually been able to play any of the FNAF fan games for you guys because I was stuck on mobile, and I was playing what can only be known as FNAF's biggest mistake, probably, but now that's all changed. So, since I've never been able to play them for you guys before, I've decided to play all the old games and 100% them, so we can prepare for the eventual release of Popgoes Evergreen, I think, Five Nights at Candy's 4, and The Joy of Creation, which I'm pretty sure is dropping soon. I don't know. I'm not like a reliable source or anything. I'm choosing to start off with Popgoes because I think that one's going to be the hardest 100%. I actually don't know. I haven't played any of the old FNAF fan games, so I could not honestly tell you. Also, for Five Nights at Candy's, I'm going to be doing Five Nights at Candy's Remastered instead of the 2016 version because I think it has more content in it, and I would rather do that one because I don't think there's anything special to, get a good ending or anything like that in the original one. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, time to play some Popgoes. I'm actually very excited to play this game. I used to watch people play it all the time back in, 2016. I was very obsessed with the purple character in this game. I have no idea why. So, let's go ahead and hop into it. First night. Oh my god, straight into that. Holy. Oh. Okay, I actually have to click. Non-honkable nose. Unplayable. What the fuck?
Right, that should do it. Hey, glad to see you're working there. The name's Fritz, and welcome to the Popgoes Pizzeria, the next generation of kids' entertainment. As you already know, you'll be guarding this place until 6 in the morning, and as your boss, I'm obliged to help you understand your job and the tools you'll be allowed to use during the shift. So, first things first. I've got to be honest, your current setup might not be very optimal, so to say. I didn't have time to prepare a designated room for you in the location, so you'll just have to manage with using one of the internet cafe monitors near the stage, next to the gang. Don't start complaining just yet. I set a nice spot near the window for you. Even brought a fan. Anyway, the phone you have in your hand, it's usually used by kids during the day for games and whatnot, but I've sorted out a security application that only activates during the night, which is when you're here, obviously. Everything you'll ever need for your job is ready to use. Go on, press some buttons. You can check all the rooms with set cameras that are connected online, and the ventilation system too. Alright, I know what you're thinking. First night on the job, I'm rambling a bit, it's a lot to take in. And yes, I know there are a bunch of anthropomorphic plastic animals around you, watching you work. Trust me when I say I know how that feels. Your imagination might get a tad bit out of control. Stress does that to you. But don't worry, you're completely safe here. I've built this place from the ground up to be one of the most transparent, honest, and safest places on Earth. Unlike some other businesses. If you ever start feeling anxious, looking out the window or just, taking a look outside should calm you. That tends to work for me at least. Right, back to the anthropomorphic animals. I'm sure you've already guessed by now that these are our animatronic characters. Top of the line technology. Honestly, the name animatronic doesn't do them justice. They're more like multi-purpose robots. They can be programmed to do anything I can think of. They pretty much run this place now. Of course, again, they are completely harmless. They aren't physically capable of hurting anybody. Made sure of that myself. I think I might be going on for too long. Last thing on the list. You may have noticed that this is a pre-recorded message, which means if you want to ask a question, you won't get an answer. But hey, to fix that, I've given you some options. I stayed up all night to set up a simple Q&A system to go with your app. When this call ends, you will get 3 topics to choose from, and when you select one of them, another audio message of mine will play to help explain whatever you want to know more about. Quite nifty, right? Obviously not quite as much freedom as a normal phone call, but it'll have to do for now. Well, that's it for your first night. Check those cameras and don't forget to take a breather once in a while, alright? Your 3 options should appear now.
Alright. I got absolutely nothing from the first part of that phone call other than there are robots here. What the fuck? Yo, what? No camera. Oh, never mind. Holy shit. How is this place during the day? What are the robots capable of doing? What is... Sure.
Ah, alright. You want to learn more about your job, that's good. Well, as you might have noticed, you can reset any electronic or wireless connections in 6 of the pizzeria's rooms by using your phone's room shutdown button. I added this feature to your phone to ease the job of having to fix any tech-related problems that might crop up during your shift. You know, so you don't have to go there and manually fix them. So if you see the printers going awry or something, just push that button and wait a few seconds for all the systems to go back online. Bear in mind, technical faults almost never happen here, so I really doubt you'll need to use it that much. Oh,
so
and
here?
Don't worry about breaking any machinery or something. They'll just go back to doing their normal activities once the shutting down procedure is complete, which is about 5 to 10 seconds long. Alright, well, that's your first night. I'll do the same thing for you.
Did I do that right?
You know what to do. Good night, kid.
I don't know if I did that right. This thing. Look at it. The bird. Is that not the bird? He was just on the camera. No? I am familiar with like 2 characters in this game. Also, that phone call lasted forever for no reason. Room. Wait. I don't get it. I don't get it. Is he gonna kill me? Am I dead? That just scared the shit out of me. I'm so confused. Oh. Hello. What the hell is going on? Oh, I'm panicking. So I actually figured this one out on my own. Unless he already said it in the call and I just wasn't listening.
If you ever start feeling anxious, looking out the window or just, taking a look outside should calm you.
I think I did that. Right, I think I'm doing that right. I think I'm supposed to shut down the room if he's in there. Yes, I am supposed to do that. Genius machine. This is a very intense kind of night one. He's moving pretty frequently, actually. Which is interesting for a night one. Is this like predictable movement? What the... Help! I can't see! Oh, I just have to switch the camera. Shut that shit down. I keep forgetting. That's gonna suck. Trying to remember what... Oh my god. Trying to remember what arrow is the, window. That's gonna suck ass. Is this predictable movement? Can I just snipe him like this? Is he gonna walk in here? The answer was no. How did he get here? Maybe I just don't understand the layout, like, at all of this game. So if he's... This is 2. Oh my god! I'm getting it. I'm understanding. You can predict him. So he's gonna go to 6. I just gotta be ready. I don't think anybody else is active. Oh my god! I am so smart. I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be. This is like IRL panic. I'm fucking scared. I also have no idea what that's for at all. Vent camera? It's been so long since I've seen anything. I don't understand this thing. It's like Phantom Balloon Boy. Is Popgoes gone again? He absolutely is. This is the longest 5 a.m. I think I've ever experienced in any FNAF game. Hey! Hey! I like that. I like that. I'm the bird. Blue bird. What the hell is going on? I'm inside a carcass, dude. It's actually happening. Dude, it's I remember this actually, because I remember that in the 100% thing, you have to like Super Saiyan forms of all these fucking characters, and then save the toy animatronics or something like that. I think I already messed that up though, so I'm gonna have to do like a second playthrough of this, which is not gonna be great. Oh, I found a microphone. That's Toy Freddy. Also, by the way, my quality will be getting better. I'm investing in a new mic as we speak. Don't worry. My 9 to 5 is gonna pay for my new microphone. Maybe. Okay, so Mangle. What the fuck was even that? What was it? Hello? Help. Oh, what is that? I don't get it. Going left. I found the way. Balloons guide me. Okay, never. Oh, wait, never mind. Maybe? Yes, Balloon Boy. Yes! What is this? Where am I? What is this red shit all over the place? I'm gonna move this out of the way. I didn't even know that my cursor was on this. Ah! Whoa. Okay, that actually scared the fuck out of me. Second night. Alright, night 2. Let's do it! Was this here before? I have a hard time believing that was there before. Whoa! What the fuck? Is he? Dude, he's already moving!
Right, hey again. Second night. Hope you've gotten used to your job by now, pressing buttons on a phone. You'll have trouble finding a job that actually requires you to be on one of those. Anyway, I expect efficient use of that phone, kid. Oh, and I'll let you know now, don't start slacking off. I'm paying attention. After your first week is done, I'll be doing a review of your progress to see if you are fit to continue or not. If you do
Oh,
your
I'm
job
panicking.
especially well, I might even give you a
Holy
bonus.
shit.
But I guess there isn't even that much for you to do. I know I haven't given you much to work with just yet.
Oh.
This is just a test run. But there is something for you to do
Where
in
is
case you
he?
get bored, I suppose. Since, well, I'm not going to treat you like
What?
those robots behind you.
The hell?
So we're entering the winter time. I imagine you'll be working just next week, so it's going to get pretty darn cold for you. And I'm sure you've already noticed this from yesterday. I don't know. I have given you access to the ventilation system, which means you should be able to turn on the heating grids once in a while to warm up the place. They'll stay on for about a minute probably, but that's long enough, right? Bear in mind the vents go around the perimeter of the building, so I'm sure you'll figure it out. Well, that should keep you entertained. God, I hope you're as easily pleased as I am. That's all for tonight. Oh, wait, now it's your turn to talk. Here you go. Ah, yes, as I said,
I
you're only allowed
didn't
to
mean
have them
to.
run in 1-minute bursts. It's not that I don't trust you, it's... Well, everybody can make mistakes, right? These things overheat if they're left on for long periods of time, and I can't risk that. We all know what happened to that attraction last year. I remember I worked with a similar problem. You know, being
Where
under
the
constraints
fuck
like
is
that.
Popgoes?
I don't know. He was fine. I was fine. I'm sure you will be too.
Dude,
Nothing
what
dangerous
the
around
hell?
What am I saying? Just check on the heat sometimes, and yes, you'll have limited use over it, and I'm sorry about that. Right. See you tomorrow.
Oh! The other ones are gone. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. I don't know. Oh. There's vent cameras everywhere, dude. I don't fucking know. Am I gonna die? I'm definitely dying on night 2. This is gonna be embarrassing.
What's good?
I'm shut down, right?
Nope.
Oh. Oh my god. Wait, I can't shut down the room. Oh god, this is a stressful ass night 2. Oh great. I'm definitely gonna die. Hello? Yeah, asshole. I caught you. Yeah, I caught you. Freaking me out, dude. Oh, you went to the same one. I love you, Popgoes. Okay. Where'd these assholes go? So there's Why do they attack at the same time? Do I have to worry about above me? I just realized that. I'm not worried about you. Goddamn bird. I am worried about you, though. But I'm dying. I'm panicking. But you're here, asshole. Oh my god, and the bird, too. He's just on every fucking camera. Hold on. Lock in. Lock it in here. Still here for some reason. It's just unfair. Dude's like, why are they staying there? Is that their gimmick? Are they supposed to just fucking stay in one room? Okay. You're here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We ain't found
Yeah,
shit.
they're here. Oh, is it like it's a progression system? Okay. Alright, I got it. Oh! Oh. Weird.
Hello.
Okay. Oh, whoa! Huh? I could have swore I just saw a, new character. Window. I'm learning the layout too, also, which is very nice. Dude. What's the point of the bird? Is it like... I don't know. What time is it? 5 a.m. Okay, okay. This is possible. This is doable. Winnable run. Huh? I'm so lost. There was like a different character again. I don't understand. I said we will kill you. No, you won't. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Oh, no. I'm scared. Room shut. Ah. Ah. Turn on that camera.
Alan, we are so fucked.
I don't know what to do. I am panicking.
Gotcha,
Oh,
bitch.
uh-oh. My phone has been stolen. I'm panicking. Okay. Fuck. Night 2. Oh, God. And then I'm this thing. What is this? One of the things that I almost died to, I think. Is the whole thing like they take my phone and then I can't win? I would check. This again! What is that? That's the second time I've seen that. I don't understand this at all. Normally I like to make like theories and stuff like that about what's going on. But I genuinely do not know. Also, is it the same path? It 1,000,000% is not the same path. Balloons do not guide you this time. Oh yeah, by the way, I do know that... I don't know if I already said this, I might have. But I do know that the toy animatronics play a big part in this kind of universe. Can I please just find the way? What's going on? Is this it? I found it, I think. Toy Freddy's hat. Oh yeah, I definitely found it. It's Toy Freddy this time. Instead of, who was it last time? Balloon Boy? Alright, well, that was a whole lot of nothing again. Third night. First stressful as night 2 was, man. I don't even know. It's gonna be a... Oh, no, it wasn't there. Because, look, I got another one. Remember colors, call the badger. What? You call the badger, asshole.
Right.
I don't know what that means.
Hello again. I think I should start off this call by pointing out that I actually made a mistake in my previous message, which was yesterday's main recording for you. I said that the heaters in the vents stayed on for a minute when you turned them on. In reality, I've made it closer to like 9 seconds or something, so sorry about that. Not a huge mistake, but I should own up to it anyway. It's one of the only things I haven't got written down. I should actually make a note of it now, I suppose. I'm kind of tired right now. I've been doing all these calls in one take, so I've just noticed it. Such a huge difference, too.
I hit the wrong button
1
also.
minute should be 10 seconds. Jeez, I'm an idiot sometimes.
Where is
Hey,
it?
now that you've been here for 2 nights, correct? Beginning your 3rd one now, yes? Tell me, what do you think about the place?
Okay, well, that was
The
just...
pizzeria, I mean. It's real special. Let me tell you, during the day you can
Where are
really
those
feel
swirls?
it. Fantasy, the fun,
What is that?
safety, you know?
That's the dude
Kids
from the
can run down the
minigames.
halls and be greeted by the characters. They gather around and sing with them on the stage.
Oh, my
They
panic.
build and print out these figurines like posable toys. And of course they get to paint them, coat them in a binding agent, etc. It makes them feel grown up. It makes them feel special, you know? I remember this kid one day. Totally heartwarming. There was this kid
Oh my god.
running around and somehow managed to open one of the locked rooms. The server room, I think it was. And he started messing around in there. Well, I was in my office, like always, and I see this kid on the camera. I start to get a little worried. Now, here we go again, I'm saying to myself. And I was about to go get him sorted out myself, but right then,
Oh my
as I'm
god.
taking my jacket off, Blake, that badger character to your left, gets in the room with the kid and starts to play a little game using the server room's monitor. Have you know the game Simon Says? Well, it was like that. He just turned it. Hold on now. I'll sort the rest out later. I'll leave this message here. The options should be up for you now. Sorry about this. Oh, you don't know what it's...
Sure, what does Simon Says?
That game is. That's alright, no matter.
Yeah.
For a quick explanation, it's a game where someone shows you a colour, like, green, yellow, red, and you have to repeat the same colour back to them. Sometimes there are multiple colours which you need to repeat in the same order back. But in the case of Blake,
Oh
the
my
boy,
god.
who was quite young, it was only one.
What is he even doing?
Sorry if that wasn't that good of an explanation, but it's just a kid's game, nothing more. During the day you can play it on one of the monitors here with that panel in front of you. Bit more complicated than just a colour appearing on a screen, but, same concept. They use the phone for that too. That's children's stuff though. Don't let me down with you playing games during your shift. Speaking of work, you should get back to it. See you tomorrow.
Oh my god, Oh my god, this is so bad. Are they here then? Or were they here? Oh my god, you're here. Wait, I can't heat you up though. What? Where's the badger? I'm so dead. I panicked. Oh my god. Uh-oh. I'm dead to somebody. Let's find out who that somebody will be. Because I cannot move. Oh! What's happening? Oh my god, that actually scared the fuck out of me. Let's give it another shot. Fuck it. Where's the skip call button? Here, right? No, okay, awesome. So we're just gonna listen to this guy talk the entire time. Oh, end call, never mind. Love this game. Love you, Kane Carter, thank you. Oh my god. Oh, you can see them here. Okay. Do I panic more when they're like in front of me moving? That would make sense. Do you have a piece, you jackass? Oh my god, I'm trying to get aware of my surroundings. I hit the wrong button. It's gonna be so bad for me, dude. You. What is he doing? I don't get it. Red? Did you say I have to? Yes. All of this on top of each other is so infuriating. So 7. I have to look out for 7. A lot. Okay. I'm understanding. You get back in there. I can't see anything. Oh my god, the bird, bro. Dude. Oh, they're gone. Go back, go back, go back. Shut down. 7. Oh my god. Wait, it's not there. He's getting up, though. Alright, alright. Popgoes, Popgoes. God damn it, I keep forgetting about Popgoes. And, keep forgetting about these fucking things. Get back. Oh! Oh! You sneaky asshole! Oh, damn it, Popgoes. Okay. Oh. The Badger. Lock in. Blue. Push button. You lied to me? Okay, I don't really care. But not that much. First night event camera. Or first night, event camera. Popgoes. Popgoes.
Blocked.
Oh my god. I just can't see. How am I supposed to know if the bird blocks every camera? I can't see him. What the fuck? I'm shut down. And the things though. Oh my god, they're moving so fast. Go to Camp 7. He's not there. This Popgoes. You're here. I'm shut down. 7. Main camera. Okay. Main camera. God, dude, that's gonna be so bad. Just gotta remember 5. Dude. Okay, go to 7. Okay. Oh my. Oh my god, like what the hell? And Popgoes got another part because I saw the camera change. Jesus. Okay, what color? Yellow? Alright, you got yellow, bud. You got. What? What? Did I not do it right? Why is he in front of me? Oh my god, no! Oh, wait. I don't understand anything. God, that scared the shit out of me. That was a cool jump scare, though. Well, everyone, that's going to be it for me today. I had a terrible, terrible time trying to beat this night. I do want to thank you again for watching, and I'm hoping to have these videos out more frequently, because it has been a fat minute since I've uploaded, because I'm useless. Also, the Showman's The Awakening series, unfortunately, is going to have to stop, because I lost my save data, and I'm lazy. Thank you, everybody, for watching part 1 of my Fanverse series. Next episode, we're going to be tackling the rest of the nights. Hopefully 3 through 6, even though that's going to be, like, basically impossible. It's worth it for you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.